Hello everyone, I am Suraj Chaudhary. I am doing my MBA in SAS Institute of Management Studies. Our today's subject is Operation Analytics. In Operation Analytics, the topic is Supply Chain Analytics. First of all, we will discuss Supply Chain Analytics refer to the process organization used to gain insight and extract value from the large amount of data associated with the procurement, processing and distributor of good. Before that, what is the supply chain? Supply is the chain of activity which is carried out for the to to manufacture a new product. It is called as a supply chain. And analytics refer to the process organization used to gain insight and extract value from the large amount of data associated with the procurement, processing and distribution of good. The second point is features of supply chain analytics. In supply chain analytics, we get a data visualization, stream processing, social media integration, natural language processing, location intelligence, digital twin of the supply chain, graph database. In this, data visualization means the data is collected in supply chain analytics. The different departments and different sectors, we get data and we visualizations how is the process is going, or what will be the value generation from that data. Stream processing means how is the process is going on, that we can analyze the supply chain in stream processing. Social media integration, social media involvement and factors related to social media, we get by the supply chain analytics. So now second point is types of supply analytics. A common lens used to delineate the main type of supply chain analytics is based on Garantner's modes of four capabilities of analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive and prescriptive. So first one is descriptive supply chain analytics. Descriptive supply chain analytics uses dashboard and report help interpret what has happened. It often involve using a variety help interpret what has happened in often variety of statistical method, search through, summarize, organize information about operations in the supply chain. This can be useful in answering questions like how have inventory level changed over the last month, or what is the return on investment capital. So let us discuss descriptive supply chain analytics. In the definition we got in the research, summarize, organize information about operation in the supply chain. It means that different operations are carried out in the supply chain in different sector. So in that we get a descriptive information of a supply chain process. So by this descriptive supply chain analytics, we can analyze how much raw material we required, or how much it has been used, and how have inventory level changed. So where the material use is more, and how is it, the all data we will get the descriptive supply chain analytic, and we can analyze the how much return we'll get from this supply of material in descriptive supply chain analytics. Second one is diagnostic supply chain analytics. Diagnostic supply chain analytics are used to figure out why something happened or is not working as well as it should. This line indicate that a supply chain, there will be a maintenance related activity will also involve, and in that if you are manufacturing in any one product, so that in manufacturing that, if we are not getting a proper output in manufacturing, or it is getting a defective product, defectivity is more, then in diagnosing we can search the how it is not happening by our plant, why it is getting problems. It is getting problem. These all problems will solved in diagnostic supply chain analytics. Why are shipment being delayed or lost? Why is our company not achieving the same number of inventory terms as competitor? These all things will clear in supply chain, diagnostic supply chain analytics. The other one is predictive supply chain analytics. Predictive supply chain analytics help foresees what is likely to happen in future based on current data. For example, how will new trade regulation or pandemic lockdown affect availability and cost of all material or good? So, by the definition, it is clear that predictive means the supply chain is going on, revenue is generating. But in future, what will happen if we will get some government policies and GST or other government taxes will change? Then what will be the effect on the same on the our supply chain or product manufacturing? These all we will get a predictive supply chain analytics. In that we will have to plan according to the future plan of a firm or a government policies. This include in predictive supply chain analytics. Next one is prescriptive supply chain analytics. Prescriptive supply chain analytics help prescribe or automate the best course action using optimization or embedded decision logic. This can help improve decision about when to launch a product, whether or not to build a factory, or the best shipment strategy for each retail location. These points are included in prescriptive supply chain analytics. Now, where the supply chain analytics uses. Supply chain analytics uses improve risk management, increase planning accuracy, improve order management, streamline procurement, increase working capital. Improve risk management means in the supply chain analytics, if there is a problems of to manufacturing in the product, then what will be the future risk? It will cover in a predictive analytics, and descriptive analytics. The actual working condition problems we will get from in current condition in the descriptive analytics, so that overall we will say the risk management will improve in the supply chain analytics. Increase planning accuracy. Planning accuracy, how will increase in that? If you are getting a continuous strategic planning and analytics of the product manufacturing, then what we have to plan, and where we have to plan, and how much the raw material and other material will require for that, then it can be increased in the planning accuracy in supply chain analytics. Improve order management also improved in supply chain analytics. Supply chain analytics give the data, how much product required and where, so that we can improve order management also. Streamline procurement. Streamline procurement means in supply chain analytics there will be no lack of material or no breakdown in the supply chain. It can also improve in streamline procurement point. Increase working capital. Working capital is also increases in the supply chain analytics to get a streaming revenue for that. These are the supply chain uses. Okay, thank you for to watching this video.